Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, a custom furniture shop in St. Petersburg, Florida, and I'm going to talk to you about Wood Lathe Speeds. Most of your variable speed lathes today have 5 or 6 different speeds, and the speeds are there for a reason. When you're working with stock that's square or octagonal, you need to start fairly slowly as you knock the corners off before you get it to round a cylinder or a bowl that you're working with. So you want to start fairly slowly. With large stock, larger bowls and things of that nature, you want to stay fairly slow because of the size of the piece you're working with. If you go too quickly, you'll get excessive vibration, and worst case scenario, it could damage your lathe or snap off or something of that nature, and you want to avoid that. So you don't want to go too fast with large pieces. With standard spindles and things of that nature, smaller pieces, you are, like I said, you're going to start slow, and once you get the stock round, you can step up the speed, get it a little bit cleaner. Once you get it nice and clean and smooth, again, you can go ahead and step up your speeds one more time to do your detail work, your coves and your beads and that sort of thing. And when you go to do your final sanding, you want to bring it up as high as possible to get a really nice finish. The higher speed that it turns at, the smoother your sanding is going to be, and will give you a nice clean finish at the end. You can also do your finishing work, whether you're using an oil or a wax, again at a higher speed. Apply your finish to your piece while it's turning, and then simply buff it out. And I'm going to go ahead and run through the speeds and show you the differences, and let you understand kind of how the machine is working. Starting at our slow speed, we'll step it up one at a time. And you can actually hear the difference in the speeds. And this is our high speed. Speeds vary from company to company and lathe to lathe, but as a good rule, you're looking at a slow speed being in the 550 RPM area and the high end being somewhere in the 3,000 RPM. So there's a pretty good variation of speeds available for your working. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.